Today, space is still at the stage of the Wild West. It is becoming urgent to establish rules and enforce them. We lack regulations and technical means to monitor the space situation. The two are closely linked, of course, because in order to be able to apply the laws, it's still necessary to prove that certain actors infringe them or respect them. The stakes are economic, because if the debris continues to multiply, the satellites are in danger, with economic losses ranging from a few $1 million to billions of dollars for a satellite constellation, for instance. It is also a geopolitical issue related to sovereignty. As we've seen in the news in recent months, space can also be the new theater of confrontation, as evidenced by the Russian anti-satellite test or the war in Ukraine. Satellites are strategic intelligence and telecommunication assets, and the loss of personnel would have a systemic effect and could call into question space missions and therefore operational missions in the field, which is why surveillance is crucial. The problem is that today, in order to be able to track objects, for a lack of technological capacities, states are dependent on data providers who are mainly American. This raises the question of sovereignty. Access to surveillance infrastructure is no longer a choice. Without these possibilities to observe and map orbital environment, European states depend on the geopolitical situation. It is only by covering the entire value chain from data acquisition to analysis that countries will be able to gain access to their sovereignty and their independence in space.